Dear friends, executive presence is an important aspect, a critical skill for any leader. If you do not have that, you are in serious problem in terms of impact in interactions. We know that mere technical skills is not the sole criteria for selection into senior grades. Executive presence is mandatory. And if it is so, let us demystify what is executive presence. Is the ability to be present completely in a meeting, be calm under difficult circumstances, be empathetic to the other person, and create solutions which help all parties. Now, for that, it begins with emotional self-awareness. Am I aware of my emotions? If I am anxious, if I am worried, if I am angry, my effectiveness in a meeting would be zero. So knowing that your emotions helps you to strategize how to operate better. You move away from automatic action into responsive mode, from reflexive action into reflective action. So the workshop from the 3rd to the 5th of June will help us on self-awareness. How do we influence people is another critical skill of executive presence. There's something you would learn. How do I create that kind of environment where I'm listening to the person completely, when I'm appreciating the other person's good points, where I'm calm under challenging circumstances, and where I want to see both of us succeed. These are skills that can be learned, and the workshop from the 3rd to the 5th of June on emotional intelligence and EI assessment tool certification will help us on learn that. So look forward to seeing you in the workshop from the 3rd or 5th of June at Mumbai. If you are interested in the brochure, you will see in the description my email ID. You can write to me. I'll be happy to send you one. Thank you so much.